My name is Peter Colombus and I'm an automotive designer and visualization artist. I have been working in the automotive industry for almost 2 decades. Generative design is a commonly used process in the automotive industry. It's a process that optimizes the design by achieving the goals set by the designer and at the same time maintaining the lightest form of design using computational thinking. I have always flirted with the idea of using generative design in order to produce unique art. I wanted to replicate nature's way of defining proportions on a sketch. By altering the parameters of computational design and combining them with the golden rule, I'm able to achieve unique images. Every piece of artwork in this exhibition is as unique as every form of life on this planet, by combining the digital media with the actual sketch and letting the computer decide the final outcome. All artwork is based on real-life automotive projects. I hope you come to enjoy the outcome.